unless you're pushed to the wall with money problems, familial responsibilities, don't give up. The good thing about the chaos of this country is that there's always room for someone. It's like a bazaar. The bazaar looks completely crowded, but one person will come and she has fresh fish to sell, and she'll find a small place to sit, and if the fish is good, she'll sell. There's always place in the chaos. So don't give up. Don't think that this has all been taken. We don't live in the sanitized, anodyne world of first world economies where this is it. You can't go beyond this. I can't show you any more emotion than this. I cannot hug my parents. You know what I mean? It's very anodyne. Here in the chaos and the tumult, there's warmth, there are mistakes, there might be the occasional bad person screwing up the place, but all in all, there's always space. Find your space, move, jostle your way in the marketplace, find your space, make sure you have something fantastic to spend your life working on, whether it's fresh fish or whatever it might be. And this country has a way of slowly, it's like getting into a crowded local train. You feel that there's no more space, but there's always space for one extra person. So yeah, don't give up.
Thank you so much.